Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English with use this, that, these, and those. These, and that we use for singular or one object. And these, and those we use for plural or more than one object. These, and that we use for one person or one animals or one object. And these, and those we use for more than one person, more than one animal, or more than one object. We use this or singular and this plural to refer to something that is here or near. I repeat, we use this singular and this plural to refer to something that is here or near. We use that singular and those plural to refer to something that is there or far away. I repeat, we use that singular and those plural to refer to something that is there or far away. Okay, everyone, the other explanation, this and these things that are close, here or near. These and these things that are close, here or near. And that and those things that are there or far away. Things that are there or far away. Let's take a look this example. This is a book. This is a book. These are books. These are books. That is a book. That is a book. Those are books. Those are books. Okay, the next. This is a cat. This is a cat. These are cats. These are cats. That is a car. That is a car. And those are cars. Those are cars. Okay everyone, I think that's all of our material today about this, that, these, and those. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.